Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop HDR toning for close-up textures photography. Import your close-up photography to bring out high detail textures through HDR toning and convert the photo into a smart object for non-destructive editing, and also access HDR toning to begin enhancing macro details, increase strength for visible sharpness, boost details until textures become crisp and clear, lower highlights for natural lighting, lift shadows to reveal hidden texture areas, control gamma to keep midtones balanced, and also add vibrance if soft colors need enhancement, lower saturation if colors overpower the detail, adjust radius for smooth transition.